Do you own or manage a facility that operates automated and semi-automated equipment to help augment your workforce? If so, then you have probably witnessed, firsthand, how programmable logic controllers can really help the repeatability, quality, and speed of a given process. However, in many cases, the automation equipment, driven by their programmable logic controllers, are effectively isolated islands. Programmable logic controllers can produce a wealth of information, but because they are not connected to anything, the information they can provide is often lost.
Instead, wouldn't it be better if you could capture all of the information from each machine? To elaborate, what if you could capture all of the events of a PLC? What if each event could be timestamped and saved it for later review? What if you could record the process rate of each machine? What if you took that data and were able to identify areas of improvement so that you can be much more efficient? Lastly, what if you could review all of this information from an ERP system?
Such a system exists.
Data from each PLC is captured by a single master controller. The master controller is effectively a managing device that accepts data from PLC endpoints, otherwise called edge devices. It also holds settings and operations information for the PLC. Each PLC updates its settings routinely, so settings can be changed on the fly. The System Intelligence Controller saves all data to a database. The System Intelligence Controller also performs post-processing and performance analytics of all controllers connected to the system. If similar machinery is part of the network, then the System Intelligence Controller can evaluate and compare the performance of each system. The System Intelligence Controller has the capability of auto-tuning an endpoint PLC, if enabled.
Although the process is logged into a dedicated database server, key information can be saved in an already established ERP, MRP, or other company tool for access. Information such as when the component was manufactured, how much time it takes to manufacture a component, how many components have been manufactured, and so on and so forth can be saved in the ERP or other tool. The ultimate goal of this system is to provide company owners, managers, quality team members, customer service representatives, and other team members an avenue to visualize the manufacturing process and make intelligent decisions based on their given need.
The Blaze Technology team wants to thank you for your time and consideration. Feel free to contact us at 346-382-3022. Your success is our business. We will do everything we can to help you be successful.